Hey guys, so how have you guys been? It's been very long since I made any video, being extremely busy with work, so I was not able to really make one. So today I'll talk about refinance on properties where you have already purchased the property and paid the money through your own pocket to purchase the property. So often it happens that we have some certain source of funds and we want to not take a loan for the property and pay outright from our own savings or from that source of funds to buy a property. But banks have a provision where you can actually refinance that amount which you have already paid from your end to the builder or to your seller. So after the registration of the property is done, until 6 months of that, from the date of registration, you can actually refinance your loan, your property, and get a home loan on that, which is basically a loan on the home loan rate of interest, treated as a home loan itself, where you get the interest benefits and everything. So you can refinance a property where you have registered the property, and until next 6 months it can be refinanced as a home loan itself. Another thing, if you buy a property from a builder, whatever payments you have done to the builder in the last 6 months, okay, that can be refinanced. So for example, you bought a 3 crore property for which about 1.5 crore you have paid to the builder. So suppose in that 1.5 crore, about say 80 lakhs you have paid in last 6 months, right? So that 80 lakhs can be refinanced back to you, and then you can use that money for your personal expenses or any other expenses. So a lot of people don't know about this, but it's a really helpful instrument for a lot of people, because home loan is a very cheap source of money, right? You get about 7.5% currently, and you might as well use your money and reinvest in other avenues where you get a higher return, right? So if you have already invested your money in buying a house and you think you can make better use of money and yield better returns, so I will highly recommend you go for a refinance of it and use that money for your other purposes, right? So that's about refinance on a home loan. You can obviously ask me if you have more queries around it. I'll be very happy to answer. My name is Piyush Agarwal. I am there on YouTube as Piyush the Mortgage Guy, on Instagram as Piyush the Mortgage Guy, and on LinkedIn as Piyush Agarwal. So please reach out to me for any queries you have around housing loans or commercial loans or plot loans. I'll be very happy to answer you and help you without any cost. Thank you so much.